All right, so I am here on opening day for Passholder previews for Iron Gwazi here. Oh my gosh, this line is absolutely insane. But I ran into a couple people here, Jared and Alex, and we are here just to get as many rides in as possible on this beast because this is an incredible ride, I have to say. This will be my 25th ride. I cannot wait for another hour because that's how long it's gonna take for this puppy to open. It's been a few days since I've been able to ride this beauty. So happy to finally be back. And all right, this is the current wait for front row. I'm so glad I got here when I did because, yeah, this is insane already. On Wednesday they were not playing it, but finally, as of a couple days ago, and including today, they're playing the cue music and the video that go along with it. And this is currently the line right now, and it goes all the way down into the extended queue. And it's almost time. My first ride in the front row exactly. I've had a bunch of rides in row 2 and a bunch in the back, but I have not had a front row ride yet, so I'm so excited to have that. Guys, look who I ran into right here. Who's the birthday boy. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Hey! What's up? Get the rest of the hey! We got Fitzy. Yes, we do. Here we go. We're ready for the Super Bowl, and also we just hit up Iron Gwazi. What did y'all think of that? It's a beautiful ride.
Oh my God. Yeah, top 3 RMC easily.
Oh, for sure.
Better than the Tims. Arguably, like probably best coaster in Florida. Like the fact that it's in the same realm as Velocicoaster says enough.
Oh yeah.
It's frankly you just gotta get down here right. It's epic on a whole other level.
Exactly what he said. Like I think you put it perfectly. Yeah. That is an incredible ride.
Yeah.
It's podium worthy.
Yeah, that speed and pacing, like, you don't have it on any other RMC in the States.
Oh, I know. What'd you think of the wave turn?
Well, I mean, it carries it, like, more than, like, Lightning Launch.
It does.
Just, like,
no, that's what I'm saying.
Turn, right?
Yeah.
Like, that, like, again, like, you go through that course so freaking quickly, that's what makes this, like, just on a whole nother level.
Oh, for sure. And that death roll, too.
Oh, I want to get murdered on a death roll!
Oh, yeah. All right, we're hitting this up so much more today, though. All right, Gwazi just went down, but we're about to hop right on it now. Let's do it. Hey.
So I was like, all right, I'll just go to Food Bar and have some rides there.
Here we are, Iron Gwazi, our POV, row 2. Let's do this thing.
Ride number 2 of the day.
Ride number 126 for me.
That's 24. Hey,
Yeah.
what YouTube channel I gotta go on?
Oh, yeah.
What I gotta go on?
Chill's Fistful of Thrills.
What?
Full of Thrills.
This long thrill?
Yeah, Fistful of Thrills.
This full thrill.
Yes, you got it.
Yo,
All right,
let's
here we go. Oh,
let's go.
let's go. Let's go.
That
Oh my
fucking wave
God.
turn hits on
It
the
does.
pass. Oh my god.
Oh, it's so good. Yeah, the wave turn. Did I say it's phenomenal?
Yes.
Isn't it? I love it so
my.
much. You know, merch is very popular today because there are very slim pickings here. There's only 3XL of this purple Iron Gwazi shirt. You still got some Squishmallows, still got Coaster Dynamics, but yeah, there's definitely a lack of merchandise right here. So they had some cocktails for Media Day and for Fast Forward to Thrills, but they still have the cocktails available here. They have the Iron Gwazi Fizz, the 91-degree drop, and the Hybrid Heat. And Iron Gwazi right now is down for high winds, and I'm going back to catch the Super Bowl. So that is a day for me here at Passholder Previews for Iron Gwazi. You know what? Got a couple rides in, and this day was hype. Everyone was super excited. It was great to see the enthusiasm with everyone. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next video.